Around this time 3 years ago, I sat down and told you guys that I had just moved to LA. It was such a huge turning point in my life, and I celebrated it by changing my look. That's when I discovered Olea. And today I'm here with you guys again to celebrate all the new changes happening. This new hair color is a reflection of all the exciting things to come. I really wanted to go for a look that was bold and vibrant, and the Olea color I picked out is just that. I can't wait for you guys to see this new look, so let me show you how I got it. I could not be any happier with how this hair color turned out. Everywhere I've gone, people that see this color absolutely fall in love with it, and I get compliments all the time. And I think the best part about Olea is that not only is it beautiful, bold color, the way that it makes my hair feel is amazing. All of the oils make my hair feel beautifully healthy and shiny. It actually feels better than how it was before I colored it, and that's why I've used Olea for years, and it's always my go-to. I hope you guys love this color as much as I do. If you try it, make sure you let me know. I would love to hear your experience with it. And I have some super exciting news for you guys. I am part of the brand new Olea campaign with Garnier that is coming out this summer. I've been wanting to share this with you guys for so long, and I finally can. I'm so excited. We had such an amazing time shooting it. We went to New York. My hair looked pretty amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see this campaign. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's coming out soon this summer, so stay tuned for that, but I have a little sneak peek for you guys, so let's check it out. We're on our way to New York. Wardrobe fitting, so I'll show you guys. They have all of these different clothes picked out for us. has been such an amazing experience, and my whole journey since I moved to LA to where I am now, I'm so happy that I've been able to share it with you guys. I'm so happy that I can reflect all of these different phases in my life with changing up my look. And I have to say, I'm really excited about this one. Thank you so much, you guys. I hope you guys love this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Please make sure you leave me a comment. Hit subscribe. If you're new, welcome to the family, and add me on Instagram at Eman. And be sure to check out the Olea color that I used, Darkest Red Rose. I'm gonna link it for you guys in the description box. And if you've been thinking about switching up your look, you wanna try something different, I say go for it. I promise you it will totally change your vibe, totally change your mood. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.